it's the start of the other side. So this is the door side now. So we're just gonna go from here, this panel, this 4-foot panel, and another 4-foot panel. So here's the second piece I'm about to lay. And we'll see it whenever I get that one up. So I need to replace this piece of metal. It's all bent up. And the front of it's all bent up. Like, I'll replace those, and then we'll end up either painting this like a black or putting some kind of wrap on the door, and then some kind of wrap on the front or something, maybe. We'll see. Alright, pick you back up in a little bit. Alright, there's the second one. It's gotten a little bit off right in these two seams here. A little bit off right there because I had to slide it back, which these trailers aren't exactly square, and considering this one actually got in a wreck, it's a little bit off. But it's a little bit off on this line too, just because it's also short there. So I'm just going to take some black paint and just touch up a little bit in there. Same here, after I get the other laid, I'll just touch up a little bit of black. It'll look good. It's not going to be perfect. I don't need it to be perfect. But there's the second piece. Gonna put the third piece on and get back to you guys. Alright, there it is. Turned out pretty good. There's a little seam, you can't really see it too much on video, but there's a little seam there I'm gonna end up blacking out. Same with a little spot there. But I believe, though, with my black light that I use for fishing, if I shine over to it, I think it'll glow whenever it's nighttime. I have to try whenever we're at the park. So I'm gonna let it all dry up good tonight, and then I'll end up putting all the screws back into it. Screw it all back down. And then, yeah, like I said, we'll do this in black with something on the door, maybe our QR code or something like that on the door. And then maybe just black out the front of it. Or maybe have a different logo on each side of these, the V here. Something here, something here. And the back, I'm gonna do the QR code. I'm going to do our QR code on the back door. That way when people are following us, they can scan our QR code. Anyways, that's done. So it's one less thing I need to get done. Alright guys. Remember, subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.